how to fold a fitted sheet. Grab opposite ends like that, loop that over, fold it around to the other side. Like that. And bring these opposite two sides across again. Like that. So we get this. Lay it on something flat like a table. Get it like that. And fold these around. And then do that. Fold it in half or whatever. And half again. Already done the flat sheet pillowcase and the fitted sheet. Grab the other pillowcase. Shove everything in there. Like that. Done.